To enable high ping in Elden Ring, you may want to adjust your network settings or use specific tools to simulate a higher latency. Follow these steps to achieve that. Step 1. Access network settings. Go to your computer's network settings. This can usually be found in the control panel or system preferences, depending on your operating system. Step 2. Adjust COS settings. Locate the quality of service COS settings in your router. This feature allows you to prioritize certain types of traffic, and you can adjust it to limit bandwidth for Elden Ring. Step 3. Use of VPN. Download and install a VPN service that allows you to select servers in regions with high ping. Connect to one of these servers before launching Elden Ring. Step 4. Modify game settings. Launch Elden Ring and navigate to the online settings. Look for options related to matchmaking or connection preferences and adjust them to favor higher latency connections. Step 5. Test your connection. After making these changes, start a game session in Elden Ring to see if your ping has increased. You can check your ping in the game settings or by observing your gameplay experience. By following these steps, you should be able to enable high ping in Elden Ring. Always remember to revert your settings if you wish to return to a normal gaming experience.